Hey guys, this is just a little video on how to download the phone book from your contacts to your Vhedia head unit. Firstly, we want to make sure that we're not connected to Wi-Fi. So we're just going to scroll down and turn that off. And then we're going to go to Bluetooth. If your phone's already paired, great. We want to just click and it will show up green. So when doing this, you do want to make sure that your device is allowing to sync contacts. So for example, on the iPhone, sync contacts, you want to turn that on. Alrighty, and then we're going to go this one, this one, this one. Download the phone book. Okay, and it will start downloading.